What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing Piggy Custom Characters New Stuff. And basically, it's a brand new game. Brand new. Hopefully, I think I might be the first one to record on it, which, you know, I'm excited about. Watch this. Like, I say that, and there are like 3 or 4 people that did it before me. Oh, gosh. Anyway, yeah, it's a fan game for Piggy and yeah, so let's look at this. We got Ice Piggy, which looks super cool. Got the ice pick, I like it. Wolfie, oh, those some sharp claws you got there, bud. We got cousin, all right. We got a baby cousin. What it looks like he's in a wagon. All right, I like it. I like it. Oh, uh, Uncle Piggy, and is that a bat? All right, yeah, that's bad. And then we got Auntie Piggy, however you say it. I say Auntie, other people say Auntie. It all depends where you're from, honestly. We got Squirrely. Yes, Squirrely. This is cool. What is that? Oh my god. Is that a spear? Gosh. Oh my god. Bunny's little brother. Oh, a crossbow. We got Grandpa. And, a hamster. Oh, what is that? What is that thing? What is it? Oh my god. You do not want to see that in the dark alley. That would be terrifying. So, oh, real quick, we have a, Piggy family spider. Okay. Huh. I'm gonna pretend I did not just see that. Oh my god. Wait, what? Boss character. Thanks for turning fan base. Grass monster pig. Oh my god. That looks insane. I need a closer look. Can I? Oh, I can't. Wait. Hold up. Oh, I can't. I can't do that. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna. Hold on. Apparently, I can't climb ladders. All right. Oh my god, that looks so sick, dude. It's like coming out of the ground. That is awesome. We got. Oh wait, did I already check these? Wait, did we already do Bunny's little brother? I think. Yeah, wasn't. Wait, wasn't Bunny's little brother and Squirrely over there? Oh, these are non-affected characters. I was like, why did he put them twice? But I'm an idiot, guys. These are non-affected. So Squirrely and Bunny's little brother are not affected. The ones on the other side are infected. So anyway, we got Mr. P right here. All right, what Mr. P right here with the pitchfork. Come on, dude. We got Miss Bunny. Oh, we got the end of the map. Aha! I knew it. The Earth was flat this whole time. We got Miss Bunny, Mr. Bunny, Zizzy, Mom. Is that a dagger? Or is that a sword? No, that's a sword. Okay. Then we got Zizzy's dad. We got what? Piggy. I can't read it. Hold on. We got Tenona's fleet. I'm not even gonna try to say that. But anyway, it's a YouTuber, so yeah, subscribe to this dude. Show him support and say Tiger sent you, because I want to take all the credit for his subs. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, just go subscribe to that dude. Anyway, so, oh, I want to be here. Imagine. Wait, what? Rich Piggy! Oh, this Piggy has all the money in the world! Can't really see him real well, because he's in... This thing is so wide. Oh, here we go, a better... This is perfect. Oh, that looks... He's pushing the giant money thing. Wait, what's up? What's up? Hold on. This dude needs to talk. What's up? What's that? I'm just gonna jump over him real quick. Just, okay. Bye, I'll wait for him to respond. We got Dennis. Dennis is here! Oh. Dennis as a Piggy? Why does that look so weird? Forgot to anchor. I don't. What do you mean anchor something? Wait, what do you mean? I don't know what that means. Oh, alright. Oh. Please stand back. Wait, please stand back. Are you Lobit? Wait, hold up. Are you secretly Lobit? Whoa. Lobit confirmed, guys. So, yeah, we got Mr. Lion right here. We got Minitoon. Ooh. God, that's a sick hammer, actually. I'm not even gonna. Requested. Sell. Hold on, we got. Oh my god. Sailor Moon Piggy! What is this, dude? What is this? Polly Parrot. Oh. Why is there cheese in this cake? Wait, does birds eat cheese? Is that a thing? I don't know, dude. Then we got the Queen. Wait, so he's requested. So oh, that's supposed to be his beak, maybe? No worries, my dude. But his beak fell off. Wait, so is he like Toy Chica? His beak just falls off. He just detached his beak. So if he's taking requested character, oh, imagine a Deadpool Piggy. How cool would that be? A Deadpool Piggy just chasing after you with the chimichanga. That would be so sick, dude. Oh man, you gotta make that happen, my man. Anyway, there's also a map here, so we're gonna check that out. Oh. Oh my. Is this heaven, dude? Why is it so bright? It's heaven. Ah. Oh. Whoa. This military base. Oh, let's see what Zizzy says. What's up? The most be the place, right? Pony. We need to find him, but I think Mr. P around here. Wow. Oh my god. This is insane, actually. Wait, it's like an entire military base. Wait. Hold up. Everyone stop what you're doing. Can I get in this plane? I could get in the plane! Wait, can I drive it? Can I fly? Oh no. Ah. If I could imagine you could just fly this plane, that would be so awesome. But nonetheless, it's cool and stuff. What is over here? Mr. P's here. What's in their hand? Oh, He has fruit punch. You has fruit punch, my dude. Mr. P loves his fruit punch. Anything here? No. These are empty. But yeah, the map looks really cool. Whoa. Anyway, I think that's about all for now. So, helicopter. Yes, I have been it. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. I'm gonna end the video here for today. Yeah. Make sure you check this game out. And anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye, guys.